Hi, welcome to Clay House. It's me, Alice.
Wow!
Wow! Let's get started, everyone. Today, I create the Hello Kitty house with the swimming pool. I'm making a house using cardboard and clay. Hope everyone likes the video. Let's give Kitty a try on the new bed. like this DIY video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to support my channel.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I
So the house is done. If you like, please like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Bye and see you in the next video. Clay House loves you.
Never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out. Nothing's